Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be sharing with you some gift ideas for your mother. Now these are some ideas that she can use in the home and also ideas that you may never thought of, because I know we all have that issue where we wonder what to get mommy. She has everything already, right? What can I get her that she don't have? Now these are just some ideas that I think that you can choose between to just buy mommy this Mother's Day. Now let's get into the first item. Now the first item that I think that any mother will love is personalized item. Now if you're like me and your mother is like me that love anything personalized, that means her name is on it, her birth month, her birth sign, something that is personalized just for her. This can be like a mug, a cushion cover with her name on it, a towel, a robe, something that has her initial, her last name. Now I saw a t-shirt once that says like, never underestimate the power of a brown. That's the last name of the person. You can personalize something that your mother might like. It can be a plaque that's the best mom in the world with her name, those trophy. Now these items you can get like at gift shops, photo shops. You can go to like internet cafe. You can get it printed, personalized with her name. For example, here in the Jamaica, you can get this done at any print tree, like personalized gifts and more. They have a wide variety of items that you can personalize. A wine glass, a mug, a rug, anything you think of. So I think anything personalized, you can choose that item for your mother. Now the next item on my list is a cozy blanket or throw. Now a throw cannot be too much. Even if she have one already or two or three or four, a throw or a blanket cannot be too much for mommy. And this can also tie into a personalized item. So if you buy a throw, you can carry to one of those embroidery shops or shop that do printing on, and you can get something in her initials on it that you know that's her special soft blanket. So when she's cold and want to snuggle up and feel warm, yes, she will remember you for that nice throw blanket. You can get throw blanket in a color, her favorite color. I'm sure that she will love that as well. So a throw blanket is a gift idea that you can purchase for your mommy that I know that she will love. The next thing that I think mommy will love is anything DIY. Yes. Some moms love something that is specially designed or made for them. Yes. So for example, you make a nice necklace, you make a nice cushion cover, you can DIY something for your mom. You can paint a bottle, you can make a nice bouquet for her. Anything that is done for her, I know that she will love. You see my previous video where I did a fan cover mirror, that wall decor mirror. That would be a nice gift, something that you spend your time on doing. You can do a nice shelf. Also you can upcycle something, that's also DIY. So if you have a whole vanity or an old cupboard or an old shelf, just put some paint on it, fix it up, change a knob or something, and I'm sure she will love that. Any mom would love a gift like that. So just DIY something that she will love, and DIY also ties in with the personalized part. So for example, you get a mug for her, you can recreate that mug as well. So anything DIY, that would be a lovely gift for your mommy. And I know you all would agree with that. If your daughter or your son-in-law, your husband, yes, I'm right, son-in-law, yeah, because they would be the, yeah, yes. So anything someone give you that is done for you, I'm sure that you will love it. So that would be a nice gift item for mommy this Mother's Day. Now for the next item that I think it's a great idea for mommy is anything home. When I say home, not our traditional blender, iron, pressure pot, I mean we have upgraded in many stuff. For example, hair fryer. That's a new thing. If mommy don't get it, it's a good thing to purchase. As you know, they said you use less oil and grease and use more time efficient. So that's a great home gift when I said anything home. Anything home can be a nice vase. It can be a nice plant. Like the snake plants, those are good gifts as well. Those can be indoor or outdoor gift. And you can also get fake plant as well. Suppose mommy don't have the time to take care of a real plant. A fake plant would be good for her as well. It's low maintenance and it also helps with decor. There are some home gifts as well that I know of that person say it's not good if someone buy it for themselves. It's great if they get it as a gift. For example, the Chinese lucky bamboo plant, that would be a great gift idea as well for mommy. So anything home different from our traditional gift, like the Keurig coffee maker, if she loves coffee, a nice little what should I call that now, like a slow cooker, not necessarily slow cooker, those new pressure pot. Yes, those would be good gifts, and not only for the kitchen as well, but gifts that will help to enhance the look of her home as well. I'm sure she will appreciate anything that is home. Now this leads me to my question of the day. What gift you will get for mommy, or what gift idea that I mentioned here that you never thought of that you can get for your mother this Mother's Day 2021. Okay, so the next item on my list is a label maker. Label maker might seem like something small, but I'm sure it can be a big deal for your mommy. Most moms love an organized space, and they would love something that would make their life easier and to save them time. So instead of going into the cupboard and wondering if this is a jasmine rice or a basmati rice, if you get a label maker for her, she can create her own label for those rice and get it organized as well. She can organize her spices, she can label things around the home so that she can easily locate it. Yes, so a label maker is very good, and it's a very small but a very big item. So I recommend a label maker. If you haven't got it, you can get it from Amazon. Yes, so a label maker is a big deal as it can do so many things for your mother. So a label maker is a very good item to purchase this Mother's Day for your lovely mom. And although I mentioned this Mother's Day, it don't necessarily have to be your mother. It can be your mother-in-law, it can be your wife, it can be your sister, just any mother that you plan to get these gifts. What is my next item? My next item is a essential oil diffuser. Now with the essential oil diffuser, it can be used as an aromatherapy, it can be used as a humidifier or a night light. Now these humidifier or diffuser can help to give you a fresh hair. It can help to humidify the hair to help you to prevent you from getting sick. So a humidifier is a good thing as well. And most mothers as well, they are very selfless. They like gifts that other persons might benefit from, and a humidifier or diffuser is something that others can benefit from. So this would be a great gift that you can gift your mom this Mother's Day. Leading to the last item on my list, candle. Any nice scented candle will be a good gift for mom. A candle cannot be too much. Any chocolate, any flavored candles such as chocolate, strawberry, different brand names. You can go into your gift shops and so and smell those candles and see which one will work best for mommy. So a candle is a great gift item that you can purchase for your mother this Mother's Day. So if you love any of these ideas that I share, if you want to add something to these items, you can always comment. You can check the description box as well for links to some of these items. You can just change up the thing, do something different for mommy this Mother's Day. These are all gift ideas that I suggest, just my opinions that you might never thought of. And if you thought of purchase one of these gift ideas as well, you can comment below. Thank you again for watching. I hope you share out this video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload videos each week. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoy these ideas for your mother this Mother's Day.